Okay, coming into question number 2 of classwork 2. Okay, so the question number 2 is very simple. It's like question classwork number 1, problem number 3. We have 6 circles here: circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, inside and outside circles. And what is the new thing here? Previously we add tangent relation between the line and the outside circles. Then we trim or cut the outside circle. Now the new thing here is that how can we add a relation between a circle, outside circle, and an arc. We will see how to draw an arc, okay, together, which is 3-point arc, but let's do that first. Okay, so I want you first to do these 6 circles, which is this circle number 1, outside circle, circle number 2, circle number 3 with its outside circle, and make this line and make a tangent here and tangent here. Then go back to draw to see how to draw this new thing, which is the arc. Okay, so leave it to me. Where should I put my origin point? We should put it always in the left. Okay, so we'll put it here. Okay, so I'll give you some time. Please stop this video now, try to do that, and after that you can check how can we do that. Okay, okay, I hope that you draw these 6 circles with this line tangent. Okay, let's do that together. Okay, so new. Okay, so front, normal 2, sketch, activate sketch, circle, we'll do 2 circles. So this circle number 1, go down to origin point, circle 2. Okay, now we go down a little bit, the same. We estimate the place, so we estimate it here. Circle number 2, click, go down, click, go up, click, escape. Then we'll do another 2 circles. Okay, I'll estimate the place, which is here, so I'll go up, right, click, small circle, click, then go to the center, click, outside circle, click, then escape. Okay, so let's give this circle a dimension, which is we don't have it here, we have it here. Okay, so it's 30 phi, the diameter here is phi, so 30. Then check. Okay, now as we can see that these internal circles have the same dimension, because he didn't give me any information about this circle and this circle, which means all have the same diameter. So how can we do that? Very simple. We press on Control to make a relation. Press on Control, then click on this circle and this circle, the internal circle, and this circle. So we have the 3 internal circle. Go down. So what is the relation between these circles? Are equal, which means they have the same diameter. Okay, then check. So they have the same diameter. Okay, so this is 30 and this is 30. Okay, now the diameter for the outside one here, okay, small dimension, this one will be 40 multiplied by 2, which is 80. The phi here is 80. The phi here, okay, is 32.5. 5 multiply by 2, which is 65. Then here, small dimension, we'll give it, he gives me that it's our radius 30, which means the phi will be 60. Check. Okay, now in order to make these circles fully defined, we have to determine the dimension between these circles and the origin point. So we'll get from this point to this point. What is the distance here? He gives me that the number here is 77. Then check. This is in the x-axis. Now in the y-axis, from this point, again smart dimension, between this point and this point, what is the distance between these two things? These two centers. It's 55, as we can see. So 5, 5. Check. Okay. Now the same thing for this circle. Between this center and this center, we go up. What is the distance? The distance will be 110. Check. And what is the distance between this center and this center? We have it here. It's 80. Okay. So escape smart dimension between this center and this center. It is 80. 80. Check. Okay. Now we do the same thing as problem number 3 in classwork 1. We make a very long line like this that covers these two circles. Then we make a relation. Press on Control and click on this line and this circle. What is the relation? Tangent. Check. The same thing again. Press on Control. This line and this circle. What is the relation? Tangent. Check. Then trim. Make sure that you choose the last one, the last one, the last one. So click here and then click here. Okay. So we did this one. Okay. Now we have a curve. I want you to focus a little bit with me on how to draw this arc. Okay, but before that we have to check many times until we go to the same screen, front, top, right. Okay. Okay, now how can we do this arc? Very simple. We have in these tools, we have this arc. Okay, we click here. We have many kinds of arc. Okay, we usually choose, or most of the time we choose 3-point arc. 3-point arc. Okay, we need just 3 clicks. Click number 1, click number 2, and click number 3. So we choose always 3-point arc. Okay. Now we start from the outside circle to the outside circle to draw this circle. Now be careful to when you should add your curve, your click. Okay, because we have this circle. How many quarters do we have? We have here 4. So for example 1, and this quarter number 2, and this quarter number 3, and this quarter number 4. Okay, so we have to choose what is the quarter that we choose to click on. So we obviously click here. We don't click here, for example, or click here, because it's this arc start from this point and go in this way with the curve and go again here. So we click on this quarter, not here, not here, not here. On this quarter, click any place, click. Then you have to click the second click on this outside circle. So which one should I click? Is it here or is it here? We can see that this tangent point should be in this quarter. Okay, so we click any place on this quarter, not the down, the up here. Click. Okay, the third click, he gives you the chance to make this curve down or up. So what is the shape of this arc? Is it down or up? So it's down. As we can see, it's down. So we go down any place, then click, any place, then click, then escape, escape, escape. So we click on this quarter, then we click on this quarter, then we make it down, and then escape, escape, escape. Now, the second step, we have to make this arc tangent with this circle. So press on Control, click on this arc, then click on this circle, any place. So what is the relation here? The relation here is tangent, then check. Go to this circle, again, relationship between this circle and this arc. What is the relation here? The relation is always tangent, then check. We can see that the arc still is not fully defined. What should I add to make it fully defined? We have the radius of this arc. So smart dimension again, and we click on this arc, okay, and we'll give it 65 radius, then click on check. Again, check until we go again to this screen, which is font top right, okay. So the curve now is fully defined. The same thing we are going to do in this two circles. So we choose 3-point arc. Now we have to check which arc should I click on this circle. Is it in this quarter? The tangent point. Where is the tangent point? Is it on this quarter, or this quarter, or this quarter, or this quarter? Obviously it is in this quarter. Click any place on this quarter, then go to this circle, okay. Where is the tangent point? You can put it here, but I will put it a little bit in upper side on this quarter, not the down, upper side. So click a little bit. You can add it here, but I prefer to make it on quarters. So click here. Now the third click, is it to the outside or to the inside? Obviously this arc is outside, okay. Click, then escape, escape, escape. Now I have to click, make a relation between this arc and this circle. What is the relation here? Tangent, okay. Go back to this arc. What is the relation between this arc and this circle? Same thing, tangent, okay. The final step is to add the radius. Smart dimension on this arc. What is the radius here? Click again. We'll add it to 210. Check. Okay. Now we can see that this drawing is fully defined. We need just one more step. We don't have this complete circle, we don't have this complete circle, we don't have this complete circle, so we have to cut, trim, then trim to closest, and click on this half circle, then click on this half circle, then click on this half circle. Sometimes you will see that there is like an arc, but it's like light arc, so don't worry about this. Just make sure that the thick one, the solid lines or the solid circles are cut out, okay. Now as you can see, it's fully defined. We go to features, extrude with 10 millimeters, then click on check. Okay, now you can save it. File, save as, go to the desktop. We will add a new file, new, Okay, folder, sorry, we have to add new folder. 1 2 3 4 5 6, your university number, underscore capital C, capital W 2. Okay, click any place here, then go inside this folder and add 1 2 3 4 5 6 underscore problem capital P, problem number 2, and save it here. Okay, I hope that this problem is easy for you now. Please practice that. Then next we are going to question number 3. Thank you very much.